Okay, so we're undoing Chinese handcuffs today. We just got them.
Ton of them.
And hopefully we can get this.
Let's see if I can do it. Fingers were touching.
He's got them on every finger, including thumbs.
Very hard. The thumb one, for some reason, I picked a horrible one. Oh, there's one.
Oh, there's one.
Almost got the second one. Oh my gosh. Twist them. There's two.
Okay, we're getting there.
It doesn't matter how you use your hands.
Oh, he's almost out. Just his thumbs now.
Almost got this. Got him.
And there he is. He's all done.
No video editing.
And that is how you break out of Wing Chang Chong jail.